Welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Santteo from Steal a Brainrot, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started with the glasses. So right in the middle, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Moving up now on both sides, we're going to curve this line around and then up on the left. And we're just going to do the exact same thing on the right. Now from here, we're going to bring this line out and then up towards the top. And then from the top here, we're going to curve this line around, down, and then in towards the middle. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. So we're going to curve this line over, down, and then back in, connecting that together. And now let's draw in the nose. So we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on the left and right hand side. On both sides, we're going to curve this around and in for the side of that nose, for the nostrils. And then right in the center here, we're just going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Let's draw in the mustache. So we're going to draw in a curved line that comes out on both sides. And now from that point, we're going to curve this back around and in towards the middle. Now in the center, let's draw in a curved line from left to right for the mouth. And then to close off the beard on the inside for the face, we're just going to curve this line up towards the glasses. Now let's continue to close off the beard. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. Let's move up again, curving this around and through towards the center. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this down and in towards the middle, joining at a point. And then from that middle point, we're going to curve this back up. Let's close off the top of the hat. So extending out from the glasses, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right, bringing that across. And then underneath for the ear, we're just going to draw in a half circle, curving that down. On both sides, let's curve this line up slightly towards the top, ending that at the same height. And then again, we're going to close that off with another curved line, creating a giant rectangle. To the right of this, we're going to curve this line up and in towards the middle. And then on the side of that, we're just going to curve that line out. Now from that point, we're going to arch this line all the way back around and through on the left-hand side. And then underneath this, we're just going to create a nice big circle, scooping that around and through on the top. Now let's come down. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down for the suit jacket. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, ending that at the same height. Let's scoop this line in. So we're going to flatten this out, bringing this in towards the middle, and we're just going to leave a gap on both sides. Stepping up above that, we're going to draw in a rectangle. So we're going to draw in a straight line on the bottom. On both sides, we're going to draw in a straight line coming up towards the top. And then we're going to flatten this out with another straight line. Now from here, we're going to draw in another rectangle right in the middle. From each corner, we're going to draw in a small straight line coming up towards that belt buckle. And then we're going to extend this through towards that beard. Now from here on both sides, we're going to draw in a straight line coming across. And then we're going to move down, bringing that further in, stretching that across. Now on both sides, we're going to extend this line out, curving this down slightly. And then again, we're just going to close this off with another curved line, bringing that up. Let's draw the right arm first. So we're going to curve this line down. And then from that corner, we're just going to scoop this in on a diagonal. Again, let's move down, curving that through towards the bottom. And then again, we're just going to curve this around and in on the center. Let's draw in the hand now. So we're going to bring this line across for the thumb. And then we're going to bring this line straight up towards the top. From here, we're going to round this out, curving this over and down towards the bottom. And then we're just going to curve this back across towards the right. From here now, we're going to arch this all the way through towards that sleeve. Let's step up, drawing in a diagonal line. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back through towards the top. Now let's draw in the left arm holding in the Santa sack. So we're going to leave a gap here. And we're going to draw in a straight line coming down. We'll draw in 2 small straight lines coming in towards the middle. And then now from here, drawing in 2 more straight lines, one up, one down. Let's bring this line across on a diagonal on both sides. Now from here, we're going to bring this line up and then down, leaving a gap. And then again, we're going to move these lines out on the side. Now from here, let's flatten this out with a straight line. And then we'll move in towards the middle, basically replicating this. So we're going to draw in a straight line on the top and bottom. 2 more straight lines coming down from the top. And then same thing from the bottom. Let's flatten this out on both sides. And then we're just going to close this off with a straight line. Now to the right of this, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to flatten this out on the bottom, bringing this across. And then on the side, we're going to move up. Now from here on the top, we're going to curve this line in. Straight up again. And then curving this back around and down. Now moving underneath, we're going to curve this line over. And then we're going to move down, bringing this line in and then across towards that torso. And then we're just going to scoop that line back up. Now underneath, closing off the arm, we're going to arch this line in. Let's draw the Santa sack up above. So from this corner here, we're just going to curve this line around and through towards the hat. And then we're going to draw in 2 small detail lines. So coming down, we're going to curve this line in. And then again, moving over, replicating that. Let's continue to scoop this underneath. So we're just going to bring this line around and in towards the jacket. And now lastly, let's just draw in our legs. So from the middle coming across, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line on both sides. On both sides again, we're going to bring that line down towards the bottom. Now from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Now let's move across. We're going to curve this all the way through for the ankle, bringing that in. Now for the boot, we're just going to draw in a straight line coming down on both sides. We'll bring this diagonal line across. Let's bring this line over towards the side. Now from here, we're going to bring this line up and then in on a diagonal. And then we're going to flatten this out by bringing this up towards the top. Now let's bring this line over and in. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this back up on a diagonal towards the back of the boot. And that is it. That's how you draw Santteo from Steel at Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.